Let's learn how to split screen on a MacBook. In this demonstration, we'll use Apple numbers and a Safari. To split screen, you want to come up to the top left hand corner of any of the panes and hover over the green circle, which will then bring up some options. Then you want to tile window to the left side, and you want to come over to the right hand side, and as you can see, the Apple numbers is highlighted blue, and you want to click anywhere where it's highlighted blue. This will then split the Apple numbers to the right hand side, and you will have successfully split screen. If you want one side bigger than the other, you simply come to the middle bar and you click once, and you can slide it to the left or to the right, making either screen bigger or smaller. Let's put that back to the middle. If you want to get quickly back to the home screen, you put 4 fingers on the trackpad and you swipe your fingers right across the trackpad, and this will then take you to the home screen. You can then open up any other program, like a calculator for instance. If you want to bring the split screen back up, put 4 fingers on the trackpad and swipe the fingers up to the top, and this will bring up this window, and you select Safari and numbers here, and you've re-brought up your split screen. If you want to get rid of the split screen completely, hover over the top left hand corner, and you then will be greeted with the circle symbols. You want to then click the green symbol, and this will bring it back to a single screen. And that is how you split screen on a MacBook. Hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this another quick Mac tip here, and thank you for watching.